Did you know that around 30% of men under 40 feel insecure about their sexual performance? Yep, that's right. It's like they're walking around with a tiny dark cloud over their heads. But fear not, my friends. Today, we're diving into some secrets that can amp up your game in the bedroom and boost your sexual health. Get ready for a wild ride filled with laughter and enlightenment. Foods for stronger erections. Watermelon. It's not just a picnic staple, folks. This juicy fruit packs a punch with citrulline, an amino acid that's like a smooth-talking negotiator for your blood vessels, making them chill out and improving blood flow. Who needs Viagra when you've got watermelon, am I right? Berries. These little flavor bombs are loaded with flavonoids, especially anthocyanins, which are like the bodyguards of your blood circulation. They keep things flowing smoothly down there, if you catch my drift. From fruits that get your blood pumping to nuts that keep you going the distance, Mother Nature has got your back when it comes to a healthier and happier love life. But hold your horses, cowboy. Before you start chowing down on watermelon like there's no tomorrow, remember to consult a healthcare professional. You don't want any unexpected surprises, trust me. Now, let's talk about stamina-boosting foods. Oysters, they're not just fancy appetizers, folks. These slippery little suckers are packed with zinc, which is like rocket fuel for testosterone production and sperm quality. It's like nature's way of saying, here, have some mojo. Lean meats, forget about chicken soup for the soul. It's all about chicken for the bedroom. Anyway, lean cuts of meat are chock full of high-quality protein, which is like premium fuel for your energy levels and stamina. Complex carbohydrates. Think of them as the slow-release energy pellets that keep you going all day long. They're like the Energizer Bunny of the food world, except they won't leave you hanging when the lights go out. Sweet potatoes, not just a Thanksgiving side dish, folks. These babies are loaded with potassium, which is like the superhero of muscle health. It keeps your muscles in tip-top shape so you can go the distance like a pro. Lifestyle factors, regular exercise. It's not just about getting swole at the gym, folks. Exercise is like a love potion for your heart and testosterone levels. Plus, it's a great excuse to show off those gains, am I right? Adequate sleep. Who needs a magic wand when you've got a comfy pillow? Getting enough shut-eye is crucial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels and libido. So put on your favorite PJs and hit the hay. Stress management. Forget about counting sheep, folks. Techniques like meditation and yoga are like ninja warriors that kick stress to the curb and leave you feeling zen and ready for action. Myths versus facts. Myth 1. Sexual enhancement products are a guaranteed quick fix. Yeah, right, those miracle pills might sound tempting, but don't believe the hype, folks. Stick to natural dietary changes for safer and more effective long-term results. Myth 2. Only prescription medications can improve erectile dysfunction. Think again, folks. While those little blue pills might work for some, lifestyle changes and diet can also make a big difference. It's like giving your body the VIP treatment without the side effects. Myth 3. Supplements are always safe and effective. Not so fast, folks. Those little capsules might promise the world, but not all of them are created equal. It's like playing Russian roulette with your health. Always consult a healthcare professional before popping any pills. Making healthy lifestyle choices and sticking to a balanced diet are key steps toward not only better sexual health, but also overall well-being. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your engagement helps us bring more useful content to you. With us, you find daily tips on sexual health, nutrition, well-being, and longevity. With us, you'll find your better living blueprint.